Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. As you know, I am bringing new crypto project in which you can invest and get profits. So today I am bringing a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is NIVEX. NIVEX, guys, this amazing crypto exchange platform. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. NIVEX trade next level with NIVEX. Join million of users on the next generation of trading. So guys, first of all, you can register your account. You can click here, then you can register account now. Guys, if you want to register your account with phone number, then you can enter your phone number, enter your login password, then you can enter the invitation code, then you can click the register button and your account is registered now. If you want to register with email, then you can click here. You can enter your email address, enter your login password, then you can enter the invitation code, then you can click the register button and your account is registered now. If you want to log in, then you can click the login button and as you can see this further detail about this project. You can scroll down and check $200 million 24 hours of trading volume, 81k plus registered user, 28% plus annual financial management. And as you can scroll down, check here contract trading. Multiple contract play methods, choose from our 100 trading pairs. Beginners and professionals are both friendly. AI strategy, AI quantitative strategies and sport investment strategies, professional AI strategy, parameters, sport customization, finance, hold coins to earn money and earn income. Search for popular cryptocurrencies, start earning profit instantly, institutional signal. Multiple air conditioned compartments follow signal mode, algorithm driven, simple to follow with a high success rate. And as you can scroll down and check here the market condition. You can see this, you can check here the spot market. You can select your network now, etc, LTC. You can check here latest price, 24-hour trading volume. You can start trading now. You can see these popular trading, BTC with USDT, Ethereum with USDT. So you can click here and see this the trading now. You can with BTC with USD, you can check your newly listing. You can see this, you can start your trading now. You can check BTC with USD price chart. You can see these prices up and down. So guys, you can check here, you can see this, you can start trading now, then you can get profit now. You can check here, and then guys, we can back to the official website. You can see this further detail. You can check here newly listed. So guys, you can start trading now. You can start copy trading now. And after, you can scroll down and we discuss how to download this app. So guys, you can download this app. You can scan the download app code. You can trade anytime, anywhere. So guys, you can click here, then you can download in on App Store, Android on Google Play, Android test flight. You can check it, you can scan QR code, then you can download this app and start future trading, sport trading and copy trading. And after, you can scroll down, check here frequently asked question, how does NIVEX conduct sport trading, how does NIVEX conduct contract trading, how to copy institutional orders at NIVEX. You can check here frequently asked questions. And so guys, you can see this, you can and go to the account and see the further. You can check here the markets. You can click here and see this market condition. You can check here the spot market. You can see this, you can check here sport trading. You can start sport trading now. You can click here and you can see this futures trading now. You can click here, see this futures trading. You can click here and see this more detail. You can buy crypto, borrowing an X card, red envelope, gift card. So I log in my account and see this further detail about this exchange. So guys, you can see this, my account is login now. You can check here my UID. You can see this, if you want to deposit, then you can click here, then you can deposit now. You can select currency. You can click here, then you can select currency. For example, I select currency USDT. Then you can select network. You can click here, select network, then you can enter. Now you can select coin selection, then you can deposit now. If you want to withdraw, then you can click here and you can see this, how to withdraw. So guys, you can select your currency. You can click here, you can select your currency, then you can select your network. You can enter your address, then you can enter the withdraw amount, then you can confirm the withdraw now, then you can receive your withdraw amount. Now you can see this asset transfer, you can check here, you can see the spot trading, contract trading. So guys, you can start your trading, then you can get profits. Now you can check your retail, and next we back to the home page, and next guys we go to this exchange Navix Twitter page. So guys, you can check here Navix official Twitter page is here. You can follow this, then you can start trading on next level. You can scroll down, check here all post. You can see this, you can check here all important announcement. You can check here Navix roadmap. You can see this testnet is about to launch on Navix wallet. You can straight in now. You can start copy trading on Navix now. You can start trading easily. Partnerships, you can check here Navix partnerships one on One Piece. You can check here all posts. You can like and comment this post and retweet this post about this project Navix crypto exchange platforms. And next we begin back to the official website. So guys, our website video is finished. If you are like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.